rising college courses by how much? They traumatize you. Yeah, you know what? I thought I was going to be a little bit more scared taking these classes, but I don't think they're going to be too hard. They haven't been too bad. No! 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 So you're telling me I spent 6 hours on one problem? And it's not even right! Oh my god. Eigenvalues, eigenvectors, cross product, dot product. The determinant A is equal to 0, so then it doesn't exist, and it's singular. Oh, diagonal matrix, dot product, linear math, Gaussian elimination. Ugh. I really don't want to take this class for a third time. You know what? I'm tired of these classes kicking my ass every single semester. They ain't gonna know what's coming. These classes, they ain't got shit on me.